knowing Jordan Davies, this will be whipped across the front and he'll be testing Leedsy from here.
I think he will.
For me, the wall is one man short, definitely. It's allowing him to have a shot from that angle, Malcolm.
Well, he's telling everyone to go in. I think if no one touches this, he should go in.
And they're deep to allow him to have the shot. They're only 3 yards away from the line. So this is going to be fizzed across the front. He does fizz it across the front. And it's the back of the net. It's the back of the net. It was set up for Jordan Davies. The defence was simply too tight, too close to the line. He fires it across and it gives Colwyn Bay a 1-0 advantage. Jordan Davies, Carmarthen 0, Colwyn Bay 1.
You don't give an invitation to a player with that much quality to show him that corner. What did we say? We teed it up for him, but we said, yes, he's got so much room. If no one touches it, he scores. And he goes and curls into the far corner.
Well,
you don't need no one to touch it.
It was most probably an easy piece of commentating because we could see it almost happening. They're 1 or 2 short in the wall because he's allowed to just bend it across. His target is to play it inside the far post. Credit to the taker, never mind what the defence have done wrong. It's a great goal.
Yeah, it's a great goal. Great piece of quality. And you say about this lad, you know, with what he can do, he can create moments in games.
Well, 2 minutes ago, Mal, we said he could be the one to watch.